Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
This fantastic property is filled with character and charm, conveniently located walking distance from all amenities including schools, shops and transport. A must-see for anyone wanting a great home in a great location. If you've been looking for a property that's large but offers the benefits of quality low-maintenance living, this property ticks all the boxes. With a large formal lounge with study nook, well-appointed kitchen overlooking your spacious meals family room, large bedrooms with built-in robes, family bathroom, gas heating, remote control garage, private courtyard, and the list goes on. In a prize location, this fantastic opportunity is not to be missed, and we assure you an inspection won't disappoint. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.